بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. استعين بالله من ذلك. Now only we are 13. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, welcome back to the 5th lesson of the math online course. And please open your book, page number 296. Page 296. And let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So you can open your mic anytime you want to be with us. You can ask anytime. But first, if you have any question, you can ask. Anyone, if you have any question, you can ask. No questions from the homework? Okay, Alhamdulillah, let's start. Today, inshallah, we will explain the volume of sphere. This is part number 1. Volume of sphere equals 4 over 3 by r cube. In your book, page number 296, exercise 27.14, he said calculate the volume of each of the following spheres. If the radius is number 1, the radius equals 6 centimeters. So if r equals 6 centimeters, how to find the volume? Someone to solve? R equals 6 centimeters. Find the volume of the sphere. Hur, we will start with Hur, yes?
In A, I equals 6 centimeter.
So
I
A
will take
equals, so
R,
this is question number A, R equals 6 centimeters.
yes. I will take the volume of the sphere, which is equal 4 over 3 by
4
R
over
cube
3
by R cube
by R cube. So it will be 4 over 3
by 6 cube. Like 4 over 3 by multiplied by 6 cube.
Excellent, mashallah, very good. And you can find the result, no problem to find the result. Okay, thanks for question number 2. Question number 2A. Question number 2A. In question number 2, Iyad, he gave me the volume of the sphere, and the volume of the sphere equals 130 centimeters. And the question is, find please the length of the radius.
The length, so it will be 130.
It will
Is
be
equal
130
to,
equals
is equal to 4/3.
4
It
over
was
3
the length.
by r cube,
Yeah,
that's
but
right?
and then we will send 4/3 to the other side. Will be divided 130 over 4 over 3.
Yes, 130 divide 4 over 3
4/3 is equal
equals
to pi r cube.
cube. So 130
Yeah,
divide what? 4 over 3,
4/3.
97.5. This is by r cube. Yet, can you
And then we
complete?
send pi to the other side.
Yes,
It will be 97.5 divided by.
divide by. And directly we can find,
Yeah, square the cubic root of.
yes, very good, the cubic root of 97.5 over pi, and this will give me the length of the radius. Any problem? Okay, now go to page number 200.
Mr. in which page only?
In which page? In page number, now we will start page number 297.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Why we made it Mr. Cubic root? I
One
didn't
minute.
understand the last step.
Okay.
Ah, okay.
Mr. Like, can I find r by dividing 130 over 4/3 pi?
Sorry, again.
Like, can I write r equal 130 over 4/3 pi?
Sure, you can write it. You can write, you mean you can write r cube equals?
Yes, r cubed.
R cube equals 130 multiply 3 over 4 pi.
Why did it multiply by 3?
Okay. 1 minute, I'll explain it. So it was 4 over 3 by r cube equals 130. That's right?
Yes.
130. Now, the first step, by r cube equals 130 divided 4 over 3. That's right?
Yes.
So divided 4 over 3 means multiply 3 over 4. Divided fraction means multiply the reciprocal of the fraction. The reciprocal of the fraction, if the fraction is 4 over 3, so it will be 3 over 4. Any problem?
Okay. No, thanks.
So this will be by r cube, and now you can divide the answer by pi. Then find the cubic root of the answer. Now, my daughters and sons, we are in page number 297. 297, question number 1. 297, question number 1. Who will solve it? Okay, someone to read first.
Mr. Me.
Now, Yazan.
Given that sphere B has twice the volume of sphere A, calculate the radius of sphere B.
So the givens are the radius of A equals 5 centimeters. The radius of B equals R. And also we have that the volume of B equal twice the volume of A. So volume of B equal to multiply the volume of A. Who can solve this question? Yes, and you can solve, yes.
Mr. First, we will find the volume of A.
Can you find the volume of A?
Yes.
It will be?
It will be 4 over 3 multiply pi multiply 5 cubed.
Yes, very good. Equals, you can calculate it. 4 over 3 multiply by
So it will be 523.6.
500,
Rounded.
400,
523.
23.
Point
No,
six.
Mister, on my
If you
calculator
round-
wrote 3.
Root 0.3.
Yes.
So
Recurrent.
4 over 3 multiply 5 over 3 equals 523.598 and so on. So it will be 0.6.
0.6.
Okay, very good. Now, this is the volume of A. And he told me the volume of B is twice the volume of A. So the volume of B equals 2
Too much.
multiply 523.6. Any problem?
No.
Okay, but the volume of B equals 4 over 3 by R cube. 4 over 3 by R cube, it will be 1040 what? It will be like that, 1047.2.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes, it will
so
be like
now we will divide by 4 over 3, then we will divide by pi, then we will find the cubic root to find the radius of the sphere B. It's hard?
Mr. didn't
Yes.
understand.
You don't understand which step?
The last one.
The last step. So you don't understand from where 4 over 3 by R cube, or what we will write? You understood
No, I
from where
understood,
1047.2?
How to get. No.
Okay, we multiplied 2 by 523.6 because he said the volume of B is twice the volume of A. So we took the volume of A and we multiplied by 2. This is hard?
No.
Okay, so but the volume of the sphere B equals what? Equal 4 over 3 by R cube. From this step, we can find the radius of the sphere B. Who said I didn't understand?
Me, Amr.
Omar, please now find the radius of the sphere B. What you will do?
We will write it simply like it. Then we'll make R the subject.
Yes,
Then
it will
we'll
be
calculate.
1047.2 divided what? 4 over 3. This will be the first step. That's right, Omar?
Yes.
Then
Yes.
R cube
Then
equal
we'll
the
get the
result
answer.
divided what?
By
Divided by. Now, the radius will be
power.
the result
We make root power 3.
cubic root. Very good. It's hard?
Or no.
Now, at the same page, go to question number 6. Go to question number 6. Please, Nawaf Tariq, read question number 6.
Okay. It's still three. Calculate to one decimal place the radius of each of A, B, and C.
Okay. So Nawaf, the first given is the volume of the steel is 600 centimeter cube. That's right?
Yes.
We made 3 spheres from this 600 centimeter cube. A, B, and C. That's right?
B and C.
So the ratio between A, B, and C, 7 to 5
Yes.
to 3. Now, the question is, how many parts? We have 7 parts, 5 parts, and 3 parts. So the total number of parts equals what?
15.
Yes, very good, 15. So we want to distribute 600 among 15 parts. So the ratio or the value of one part will be
40.
yes, 40. So Nawaf, what will
40,
be the
Mr.
volume of sphere A? 7 multiply the
40
value of
times
one part. Because A has
40.
7 parts, so it will be 7 multiplied 40 equal to 180
200.
centimeter cube. Who can complete? The volume of B. It will be what? 5?
Do I answer?
Yes,
It
answer.
will be
Anyone? 5
5 multiplied by 40 equals
multiply
200.
40 equals 200 centimeter cube. And by the same way, we can find the volume of C. The volume
200.
of C will be 3 multiply 40 equals 120
Equals
centimeter
100.
cube. Understood? But he wanted me to calculate the radius.
Mister, I did not understand.
You don't understand. Hur. Again, I'll explain it again.
I cannot understand what.
Clear all. Bismillah. He gave me ratio between the 3 volumes. The volume of the sphere A to the volume of the sphere B to the volume of the sphere C equals what? 7 to 5 to 3.
3.
That's right.
Yes.
And he said the total volume is 600 centimeter cube. So you can solve it. 600 centimeter cube, we will divide it among the 15 parts. Hur, from where this 15?
Seven plus 3.
Yes, 7 plus 5 plus 3 equals 15 parts. Very good. 600 divided 15 equals 40. So what's 40? 40 is the value of one part. So sphere A has how many parts? Sphere A has how many parts?
7 multiplied by
7
40
parts,
is
yes.
7 over
So it will
8.
be 7 multiply 40. And sphere B, 5 multiply 40. And sphere C equals 3 multiply 40. Any problem?
No.
Yes. Now, I'll take the volume of the sphere A equals 280. 7 multiply 40 equals 280. And I write 280 equals what? 4 over 3 multiply by r cubed. Now, who can find the length of its radius? Who you can?
The length?
Radius,
The radius you need?
radius length. I don't need the number, but only the method.
Yes,
How to solve it?
it will be 200. It will be the volume divided by 4 over 3.
This will
Then
be the first
answer
step.
divided
So
by
by
pi.
r cube
Then
equals,
the answer in a cube.
by r cube equals 280 divided 4 over 3. This will be the first step. Then we will divide the result by what?
Yes. By pi.
Then we will find
The cube root.
the cubic root. Excellent. Very good. And by the same way, you can find the radius of B. Instead of 280, we will write 200.
And C.
By the same way, you can find the radius of C. Instead of 280, we will write 120. I think it's not hard. Any problem? Okay. Now, I need someone to solve exercise number 7 at the same page. Question number 7 at the same page. Not to solve, only to read with me. So where are my sons? Ahmed Adel. Ahmed Adel,
Yes,
you can
yes.
solve. Yes. Question number 7.
I will.
Read it.
Okay, the slender and sphere. The slender and sphere shown left have the same radius and the same height. Calculate the ratio of their volumes,
What's the meaning
giving your
of same
answer in
height?
the form volume of cylinder equal
Ahmed.
volume of
Ahmed,
cylinder to volume of
wait. What's the meaning of the same height?
same height to have the same
So the height of the
same height
cylinder
have
equals
the
h.
same height.
So this height is what?
Yes.
This
The
height.
height of the circle is the diameter. It's the
Yes,
diameter.
very good. So the height of the cylinder
It's the diameter.
equals the diameter of the sphere or equal to radii. So the height equals what? The height of the cylinder equal to radii.
The height of the equal. Yes.
Okay, now complete, Ahmed. Calculate the ratio between what and what? The volume of the cylinder.
Calculate the ratio of their volumes
And the
giving
volume.
your answer in the form of volume of cylinder to the volume of sphere.
Very good. Ahmed, do you remember how to calculate the volume of the cylinder?
Yes. Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder equal by r square multiplied by height.
Very good. So it will be area of the base by r square multiply the perpendicular height multiply h.
By r square.
And what about the volume of the sphere?
The volume of sphere 4/3 by r cube.
Very good. Ahmed, h equals what? H equals 2r.
What?
So it will be by multiply r square multiply 2r 4/3 by r cube. Ahmed, let's simplify. R square multiply r equals r cube. Any problem?
Yes.
And this is by, and this is 2.
No.
We have 4/3 by r cube. Anyone can't understand the first step? You can ask now. Before completing, you can ask now.
Mister, I can't understand.
Which part?
The first part.
He wants you to find the ratio between the volume of the cylinder and the volume of the sphere. The rule of the volume of the cylinder equal by r square h. Any problem?
No.
And the volume of the sphere equal 4/3 by r cube. Any problem?
No.
Any problem? This is the rule of the volume of the sphere. 4/3 by r cube.
No.
Okay, now he told me that the height of the cylinder equals the height of the sphere. The height of the sphere means 2 radii, radius and radius. So instead of height, I write 2r. You are with me? Shahd?
Yes, I'm with you. Mister.
Okay, now r square multiply r equals?
R cube.
Yes, very good. So this is by, this is r cube, and this is 2. Any problem?
No.
Now let's simplify. We will divide the two sides by pi. We will divide the two sides by r cube. Then it will be 2 to 4/3. It's hard?
Mr.
No.
I didn't get it.
I'll multiply the two sides by 3 to cancel the denominator. 2 multiply 3 equals 6. 4 over 3 multiply 3 equals 4. Any problem?
Then we will simplify.
The last step is to divide the two sides by 2. 6 divided 2 equals 3, and 4 divided 2 equals 2. So the ratio between the two volumes is 3 to 2. If you can't understand any step, you can ask now.
Mister,
I did
why did
not
we make
understand.
it 2R?
You didn't understand what?
Why did we make it 2R?
Because the height equals to the height equal to radii. He said that in the question. He said the two solids have the same height. So the height of the cylinder equals the height of the sphere. The height of the sphere is 2 radii.
Yes.
That's right.
Yes.
This is the sphere, this is radius, and another radius. This is the height of the sphere. So the height will be 2r. You understood from where to r?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. The next part.
Mr. Sorry, but from where did we get the R cube?
From where we get what?
The R cube.
R
The
cube?
equation- Yes.
This is the rule of the. Oh, this r square multiply r equals r cube. My daughter, x multiply x square equals x cube. Here we have x power 1, and this is x power 2. In the multiplication, we will add the powers, so it will be x power 3. Understood?
Yes, okay, sir.
So r power 2 multiply r power 1 equals r power 3. I think it's clear.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. Now, the next part here is the surface area of the sphere. To memorize it, you can say it. The surface area of the sphere equals area of 4 circles. Area of 4 circles. Do you remember area of circle equals what?
R squared.
Yes, by r squared. So the total surface area of the sphere equal 4 by r squared. Memorize it. So the total surface area of the sphere equals 4 by r squared. 4 by r squared. Okay? I'm still in page number 297, exercise 27.16. He gave me the radius equals 6 centimeters. Please find the total surface area of this sphere. Abdurrahman Hisham. Welcome, Yahya.
Yes.
But too late, Yahya. Where are you? So, Mayar, can you find the surface area of the sphere? Mayar, you know the rule of the surface area of the sphere, you know it? Surface area of the sphere equals what? Do you need help? Lena? Huh? Back again to Yahya. Yahya, the surface area of the sphere equals?
4 multiplied by r squared.
4 by r squared. Excellent. So, Baha, the surface area of this sphere equals what?
4 pi 6 square.
Yes, 4 multiply 6 square. Only put the radius equals 6, substitute with r equals 6. So it will be 4 multiply 6 square multiply by 6 square equal 36. Multiply 4 equals 144 by. You can write it A equals 144 by, or you can multiply 144 by using your calculator, no problem. Any problem? Now go to page
Um,
number 298.
Mr.
Question number
Abdurrahman,
2. Calculate the radius if the surface area of the sphere equals 50. He wants me to calculate the radius of the sphere. Who can solve? I have Nawaf, Hashim, Yazan, Yahya. 1 minute. These are the boys. Hur, Iyad, Omar. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. I'll take the last one. Mustafa, no. Sarim.
Yes, sir.
Welcome.
Yes, sir.
How to find the length of the radius?
So we will write 50. We'll make R the subject.
You will write 50 equals?
We will write 50 equals 4 pi r square.
Yes, excellent, Sarim. So it will be 4.
And then we will divide it by 4.
So, Dr. Sarim, what's your opinion to write it in one step? R equals?
R equals 50 divided by 4 pi.
Oh, huh?
Yeah.
Don't forget to put the square root.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
right.
square root, yeah, square root.
So it will be the
It
square
will
root of 50 over 4 pi. This will give you the length of the radius directly. Any problem?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Thank you, Sarim. So question number 3, I think it's harder than question number 2, but I need someone to solve it with me. MashaAllah, a lot of hands. So, Hashim?
Yes, sir.
We are solving question number 3 in page number 298.
Yeah.
Read it.
Sphere A has a radius of 8 centimeters and sphere B has a radius of 16 centimeters. Calculate the
So
ratio of the surface area to the
R1
form 1 to
equals
n.
8, R2 equals 16.
16, yeah.
What do you want?
We need the ratio of their surface areas in the form 1 to n.
Okay, so the area of the first sphere to the area of the second sphere, A to B. I'm listening.
Yes. Yes. So we'll find the area of the first square. So it will be 4 pi r square. So it will be 4 pi 8 square.
Very good.
Pi by 8 square.
4 by 16 square.
So it will be 804.2.
You will simplify by 4.
Yes.
You will simplify by pi.
Yeah, you'll simplify and you by
8
8
square to 16 square.
Yes.
8
So
square means 8 multiply 8. That's right.
Yes.
16 square equals 16 multiply 16. That's right.
Yes.
You will divide by 8 equals 1. Divide by 8
Yeah.
equals 1.
Equal 1.
Divide by 8
Divide by
equals
8,
2.
2.
Divide by 8
Divide
equals
by 8
2. You
equals
can use your
2.
calculator, no problem. So it's 1 to
Yes.
what?
2. 4, I mean, yeah.
1 to 4. So the ratio between the two areas equals 1 to 4. I think maybe someone can't understand. He can ask now. Without taking permission, you can ask now. Directly, you can ask.
Mister, can you go up a little bit, Mister, with the screen to right?
Yes, no problem.
Thank you.
Mister, there is another way.
Yes, true. But
Mister,
1 minute,
can I-
only 1 minute to understand the first method.
Yes.
Anyone want to ask? Okay, Alhamdulillah. Now, Yazan, I'm listening. Tell us the other way.
Yes, Mister. So you can find the area of the first sphere, and you'll find the area of the second sphere, and then you'll divide the area of the second sphere by the area of the first sphere.
What's your opinion to give you method better than this? You are ready?
Okay.
Say Bismillah.
Bismillah.
All of you, not only you. All of you say Bismillah. If the ratio between the two radii, radius 1 to radius 2, equals 8 to 16. This is the ratio between radius 1 and radius 2. Divided 8 equals 1. Divided 8 equals 2. So the ratio between area 1 to area 2 equals the square of 1 to the square of 2. Finish. It's hard.
I think the first method.
The ratio between the areas equal square the ratio between the radii. Finish. It's hard.
The first. I think the first method is better.
Doctor, only we will square 1 to 2. Look at the first method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second method, 1, 2. And the best method is the method you can understand it. This is the best. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
In page number 298, together we will solve the question number 5. Question number 5. Who want to solve with me? Only question 5. I need a new one. My daughters, where are you? Only read and I'll help you. If you can't. Al-Jazi?
Yes, Mr.
Yes. Let's read together question number 5 in page number 298.
Okay.
Possible.
A sphere and a cylinder both have the same surface area and
Good.
the same height of 16 centimeter.
Uh-huh.
Calculate the surface area of the sphere, the radius.
So I'll give you a hint. First, I'll give you the total surface area of the cylinder equals 2
the same
by R multiply H plus R. 2 by R multiply H plus R. What is this? This is the surface area of the cylinder. 2 by R multiply H plus R. 2 by R multiply H plus R. Okay. He said what?
Calculate the surface area of the sphere.
Okay. So I'll ask you a question. Can you tell me the radius of the sphere equals what? He made something like that. He said, this is 16. Can you see it?
Yes.
So this is the diameter of the sphere. The diameter equals what?
16.
So the radius equals?
4.
No,
Or 8.
16 divided
8.
2.
8.
8. Very good. Now we have the radius of the cylinder, so we can calculate its surface area. So the surface area of the cylinder equal 4 by R squared equals 4 multiply by multiply
8.
8 squared. Very good.
Mr.
Yes.
Mr. From where you bring 4? 4 by.
The total surface area of the cylinder. 4 by R squared. This is a rule.
Yes, yes.
You forgot? Read with me. The surface area of the cylinder, sorry, the surface area of the sphere equals 4 by R squared. So the surface area of the sphere equals 4 by R squared. That means multiply 4 by 8 squared. Understood?
Yes.
Can you calculate it using your calculator?
Okay.
119 and 120, 119 and 120 in the workbook will be your homework.
Mr. From
803.84
equals
803.84.
Very good. So you can write it 8 power 2 multiply 4. 8 power 2
Multiply 4.
multiply 4 equals 256. So the answer you can write it 256 pi.
Yes.
Any problem? This is the total surface area of the sphere. He said the two shapes. So now we solved one. We solved A.
Yes.
To solve B, he said the two solids have the same surface area. So I can write by 2 by R multiply H plus R. Mr. Abdurrahman, what is this? This is the surface area of the cylinder. 2 by R multiply H